Here's Zen It. Looks like they've done some work on Zen It. At least they've stripped it down. And hopefully they'll be rebuilding soon. We walk down. The good news is the street is open. We'll drive on it. Bains. Each bar is open, so we'll come in and check it out. See what this is, what's going on in here. This was one of the first places to open. So, hello? Very good. How are you? These guys look amazing. How are you?
These guys were the first ones.
They were the first ones to open, huh? How are you? I'm John.
Nice to meet you, Steph.
Steph, nice to meet you. And this place looks great. As beautiful as can be. Come here and enjoy a drink, the beautiful view. Looks great. It's perfectly set up. With all the chairs. Looks wonderful. As beautiful as ever.
Are you filming?
Yeah. And that there's the best table in Great Cost right there. And
He's
see there,
the landlord of that place.
they're rebuilding the Zen It.
Yes,
So that looks good.
the guy with the white cap, the landlord of that building. And you can see the house was open to the elements.
Yeah.
The waves and the wind washed right through.
Yeah, he's got the chairs set up.
No, that's him.
Oh, it's here. Oh, I see. So, yes.